Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a fabulous trio of vases, perfect for everyday sales. As a professional florist, we're always hunting for something to make us a little different, to set us apart. The easiest way is amazing flowers. To begin this design, I turned to our friends at Garden Roses Direct, and I purchased some of these beautiful Princess Midori spray roses. Are those not amazing? The color, the uniqueness, they'll make an everyday sale truly special. Then I went to our friends at Flora Abundance and I looked for coordinating things. First I found amazing green Lisianthus. It almost glows. Then I filled in with a variety of foliages and textures to make it special. Another technique for making your everyday sales anything but everyday is to use a variety of different foliages. I always recommend, if you come to flower school, you know this, at least 3. Variegated Pittosporum, beautiful. Just giving it a cut or a break. It's so woody. Sometimes a break is as good as anything. And drop it in. And I repeat that in each of the vessels. Then coming back with one Fascia leaf. Yes, just one. To add a little bit of pizzazz, bring some visual weight to the base, and begin breaking the line of the container. Then next, for a third foliage, Israeli ruscus. Giving it a cut, placing it down in, radiating through the central binding point, and weaving, which will then support all the flowers. The Princess Midori is so full, so lush. Really, one stem is all you need to make it look great. Just giving it a cut, setting it in place, dropping it down in, then coming back with the Lisianthus, weaving it so that it spreads the design outward and starts to lock everything in place. Now to finish, adding in textures. Now they don't have to be identical. You could do one of something in some and 2 of another. Really, it's a mix and match. Adding a little bit of Lysimachia, letting it come up a little higher. Maybe some Eryngium. Breaking it down so that one stem can be divided between different areas of the design. Maybe some coming to the side, out to the opposite side. Maybe even up a little bit higher. Tucking in a Astrantia. Adding some softness. Then for fun and fragrance, some fresh mint. Just tucking it in with the foliages. So yes, now I have 4 foliage, but the mint adds just a little bit of fragrance that teases the senses. Then for a touch of whimsy, tucking in grasses, and then fill in with a few of each throughout. The arrangements are all sided, and when they're placed in the cooler, you can do it as a 1, a 2, or a 3. Maybe they want a single small arrangement. Maybe they'd like a duo, or best of all, maybe they want the trio. The recipe: just 1 stem of the Princess Midori roses from Garden Roses Direct. Then 2 stems of the Lisianthus from Flora Abundance. Then I filled in with 10 additional stems. Mix and match. They don't all match in count, but they all have 10 stems of Lisianthus, Astrantia, grasses, mint, and Eryngium. The base, I started with the 3 different foliages. 1 Fascia, 1 pit that I broke apart, and then 5 stems of the Israeli ruscus. For the professional florist, there are 3 tips in this video. 1, search out unique flowers. 2, use a variety of foliages. 3, yes, there's a third, design in multiples. It's more efficient, more cost-effective. For more creative inspiration, check out our website, flowerschool.com. You'll find so much there. If you have questions, you can reach us through the website or pick up the telephone and call us at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. Gather up 3 vases, fill them with flowers, take a photo, and post it on social media. Be sure to hashtag Floral Design Institute so we all can see your trio of fun as you do something you love.